I just want to take a moment to thank our sponsors, our donors, and also our volunteers. This night is simply not possible without you. Due to your efforts, we've been able to continue funding Scott's Corner at the Chesterfield Recovery Academy, and now we have 3 new recovery high schools that we've opened up. This has become a state initiative, and it's all because of you.
I was good friends with the Zabrowski family when my children were small, and Scott used to babysit my oldest son, David. I have fond memories of Scott, and I love the cause, and I love Jill's vision.
It culminates everything that Jill has tried and is trying to do within our communities, within our county, within our state now. We have 3 new schools that'll be opening, and it's just amazing being able to create parts and pieces that's going to allow individuals to challenge themselves to grow.
Recovery Academy is Virginia's first recovery academy. We're now one of 4, which we're great to see this message spreading, and the community is seeing the need for such an establishment. One of the great things about the Recovery Academy is it provides students a safe space to come get back on track academically, provides them a safe space to get away from some of the temptations of regular school or traditional school, so that they can then enter into the community as adults that are productive and can help us to continue this message moving forward.
Hello everyone, I'm Lexi. I love being at Chesterfield Recovery Academy because the school is welcoming and I get much support from the staff. I want to say thank you To End the Stigma, for Scott's Corner, because I really appreciate having this area to relax and have time after class and between classes and before going home. And CRA and To End the Stigma have had a positive impact on my life, and I'm truly appreciative.
I've supported To End the Stigma for about the past 5 years, and it is a joy to help Jill and her vision and her mission, and to see the progress and all the schools that are opening their doors to help young adults come in, feel comfortable, and try to help them through their struggles.
My name is Nimit Shah. I'm a sponsor of To End the Stigma, and the first golf tournament is when I met Jill and all the volunteers, and been happy to be a part of it and support it as much as possible.
We have been so grateful to continue to get support from not only our sponsors and donors, but from also local officials and government officials. Senator Mark Warner has been a very big supporter for many years of our mission, as well as Governor Youngkin and First Lady Youngkin. We are grateful to have so much support from everyone in our state.
Good evening. I'm Virginia Senator Mark Warner, and while I wish I could be with you in person, I'm glad to be sharing my well wishes and appreciation for the great work you all are doing. I'd like to extend my gratitude to Jill and all those who helped plan this important and powerful event. We all know too many people struggle with addiction and never get the help and support they need. It's amazing to see how Scott's legacy has been able to unite people across Virginia and actually expand access to recovery resources and break the harmful stigma associated with substance use disorder. Through United Communities, working between all levels of government and working across both the public and the private sector, we can take meaningful steps to combat both fentanyl use and other substance use disorder. We all know our job at the federal level is to stop the inflow of fentanyl and other drugs into our country. But just as important, we must educate young people, particularly on the harm of fentanyl and the risk that fentanyl traces are used in other drugs. That's why A Night for Scott and its mission to support struggling families and provide prevention education lessons in school is so critical. Thank you. And I'm glad in a small way I could help participate in honoring Scott's legacy.
I'm Governor Glenn Youngkin, and I'm here with the First Lady of the Commonwealth of Virginia, Suzanne Youngkin. We are so grateful to be part of this 9th annual A Night for Scott, an event of action and a night of compassion.
Organizations like To End the Stigma remind us that love multiplies through service to others. It also addresses one of the confounding challenges of our time, fentanyl poisoning.
When Suzanne and I began our journey of service, Fentanyl was claiming the lives of 5 Virginians every day on average. Our fellow Virginians were dying, families were being devastated, and communities were looking for answers and for hope. Today, because of a relentless focus on prevention, treatment, drug enforcement, distribution of naloxone, and most importantly, community partnership, Virginia now leads the nation in reducing fatal fentanyl overdoses with a 59% drop.
That number matters because behind it are real people, sons and daughters, parents and friends, brothers, who are still here today because of our efforts. But we also know that progress like this doesn't happen from policy alone. It happens when people see problems, step forward, and decide to help.
The belief that one person can make a difference is what led us to launch the It Only Takes One fentanyl awareness campaign. One conversation, one dose of naloxone, one moment of courage to check on a friend, ask a hard question, or offer help without judgment. And when Jill and To End the Stigma acted as the one, real change happened.
It Only Takes One is about reminding Virginians that they don't need to be experts to save a life. They just need to be willing to have honest conversations. So tonight is not only a celebration of positive progress, it's also a reminder that every conversation matters and every life is worth fighting for.
Thank you for honoring Scott's legacy with courage and commitment.
Thank you for showing up for one another, for ending stigma, and for being part of a grand movement that is making positive change. May God richly bless you tonight and always.
God bless you.
Our mission is bigger, better, and stronger, and it's simply not possible without your generosity. Thank you for your continued support.
We thank you for everything that you've done, your support in helping to carry this mission that we all want to see an end to.
Please help and continue to support this cause that is so rampant in our country.
Many of you know I started this after losing my twin brother Scott to fentanyl poisoning. So many families like my own are struggling. Together, we will come together to end the stigma. All for Scott.